think of a person that genuinely reminds you of a negative feeling.
Okay.
And all of you do that with me.
A negative feeling.
Where by habit, you remember this person and you're like, he gives you some negative feeling, or she. And you can't help feeling anger or whatever you feel towards that person.
Yeah.
Right? Now, when I do this in a group and I ask, generally women, mother-in-law comes up. Okay. So
Sure.
something is there. Like there is either this friend who treated you in a certain way, or a mother-in-law who said something. Now, the problem is not what they did. The problem is the program is still here.
Yeah.
So when I asked you to think of this person, remotely, you would still think of some person who made you feel some negativity.
Yeah.
That's a program. Now let's reprogram you right now. You thought of that person?
Okay. Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Tell me what negative emotion comes to you when you think of that person.
Frustration.
Frustration. Fair. You've been feeling frustration for this person, or when you think of this person, for how long?
Around a month, couple of months.
Okay. If you keep meeting this person and you keep feeling frustration as per the program, which is what you are feeling right now, would it hamper your relationship with this person?
Absolutely, yes.
Would you be productive with this person?
No.
Would you be able to influence this person? So would it be useful to reprogram yourself?
Absolutely.
Okay. So here's how we do it.
Okay.
So close your eyes. And if anybody's watching this right now, you close your eyes, and I want you to imagine the time when you probably saw a circus.
Okay.
And in that circus, you must have seen a joker.
Yes.
Imagine the face of the joker very vividly, with a red nose. And if you remember, the lips were also red.
Yes.
And the hair were colorful.
Yes.
And the eyes had some makeup.
Yes.
And it had a significant smile on the lips. Even though the joker was not smiling, it would look like it's smiling.
Yes.
And it would always wear which color clothes? Remind me.
Bright red, white, some blue.
Red, yellow, blue, striped pants.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Okay. You remember the joker now?
Yes.
Great. I now want you to remember the person who frustrates you.
Okay.
And I want you to imagine this person in joker clothes.
Okay.
And imagine his nose is like a red nose. Imagine there's this beautiful lipstick red smile on his face, even though he's not smiling.
Yeah.
And imagine on his body is this colorful clothes.
Yeah.
And now make him say in your head what he says to make you frustrated.
Yeah, but now it sounds funny.
But continue making him say the same thing as if in the sound of Donald Duck. Like quack, 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 quack.
Yeah, okay.
And literally do it in your head. Like make him say the same stuff in Donald Duck language. And if you remember in circus, in the end, the joker would always do the act of dropping his pants.
Yeah.
So I want you to imagine this guy just dropped his pants, but he has no idea that he did that. But you can see it.
Okay.
And now open your eyes and tell me what you had for dinner last night.
Last night, parathas.
Okay. The reason I did this, in NLP, this is called as a pattern interruption.
Okay.
We do this either for the purpose of taking a person away from an emotion, or to pattern interrupt in a game like this, or a technique like this, to test whether what I did worked or not.
Okay.
So to test it now, think of this person and see if you get frustrated.
Less so. It's more funny now.
Yeah. And how useful could that be when you meet the person next time?
Very useful. I would probably talk to them about this exercise.
That's wonderful. So
And
this
that
way
should
we can
be-
actually reprogram.
Yeah.
So this is one example, but of course there's a much deeper learning into it about how NLP anchors work,
Right.
in how many scenarios they are existing.
Yeah.
All right. How was that proof? Loved it? You want to gain this superpower yourself? If yes, below this video right now, I've given you a link. Quickly click on it. Register right now. I'm giving you access to the first lesson of NLP program completely free for a limited period of time. Quickly click on it, register, and make sure that you take advantage of the first lesson of NLP completely free, where you will learn how you can also become this powerful, where you can take control of your brain, you can take control of your heart, rewire yourself to attract success and avoid failure in your life by eliminating these unnecessary emotions. Ready? Quickly click on the link, register now. And hey, before you go, remember, in the future, if you want more such amazing content, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon right now. See you soon in my next video.